So over here you can see that I am in the inbox of my Gmail, and if I were to hover around over here in the email, you can see some quick actions like there's archive, there's like delete, and then unread, mark as unread, and snooze right here. But sometimes you do have a chance of clicking them accidentally even when you don't want to actually click them. So in that case, what you can simply do is you can disable out the hover action buttons that you see right here. So to do that, you can go around onto settings, and then you can click on see all settings right here. And once you do that, you can go around over here and then scroll down just like this, and then see the hover action right here. So it is right around over here, and it says enable hover actions. If I were to disable this out right here and then click on save changes, then what I can do is I can go around, hover around, and you don't see those actions over here anymore. So I can re-enable them out if I want to once more by going on to the same area. So I can go around onto settings right here. And then once you go around onto settings, you can click on see all settings right there. And then over here, you can see hover actions is an option. You can enable this back out right here and click on save changes. And once you do that, what happens is that you get those hover actions back on once again. And that is how you can disable and enable out hover actions inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.